Hello. Today we are going to learn about how can we put a sample of our Photoshop design into a mockup. Let we see our designs and a mockup template that I have downloaded from a free PSD file. Here you can see that there are two designs, front side and back side of our business card, and a WinRAR file of business card that I have downloaded free. I'm going to right click and extract here all the files. After extracting, you can see that we have a PSD file that we are going to open in our Photoshop. So let me open it. I'm going to hide this front layer. Here we have two mockup designs. I'm going to hide one of these. So I have hidden the right design in our mockup template. So you can see that mockup 1 is similar to this. So I am going to see that there are two further divisions, front and back. So first I'm going to open this front group. Here you can see that put your business card design. So we are going to put our design on this layer. These are some other layers. Let's check how these affect our design. But the main thing, we have to put our file here. So let we double click this file, this layer. When we double click this layer, we have opened another document here. Here you can see that. So this is the front side of our mockup. You can see that business card mockup. Here is business card mockup. So here we have to place our design, and when we will save this document, that design will be updated. So in the new document, go to file, then place embedded. When you click on it, you will find the folder in which your designs are already present. So let me open it. This is our design. Let me scale it according to the length and width of given. So we have placed our design here, but this design isn't changed yet. We have to save our settings. So when we go to file and save this document, you can see that when it has been saved, our mockup template will be updated. Here we go. Our file is updated and the design is same as we have placed here. So I'm going to cancel it. Now we have to update the design that is below of this card. So same mockup 1, and this is back files. So again, the layer of name, put your document card. I'm going to double click it. After double click, you will find the file. You will find the design here. Again, go to file, then place embedded. Now choose the back side of our card. This is the back side. Resize our design. Click OK and then save it. So design is saved. Now let's see that both our designs front and back side are updated in our mockup. You can now close this design and you can save it as JPEG. Now again going to we can select save as. We're going to save it as in JPEG file format. Mockup. Click save. Since I have another file with the same name, so that is why it is asking me to replace this file. So I'm going to click yes. Now select the quality. I am going with maximum. In our picture format you can see our designs are ready.